All right, so today is June 13th. It's a day after the it's a day after the Fed meeting with Powell and CPI. That CPI in the morning. This is CPI right here. It's 8:30, and then we had. Let's look for the news for this is the area for Petro. Kind of this one here, and then 2 o'clock we had the FOMC meeting that started, and then 2:30 was Powell. Or this is Powell. This is FOMC, and this is Powell movement on the 30-minute chart. I never looked at it on the 1 hour, so let's just do that just for fun. So from 8 to 8:30, so somewhere in here, price moves. This is all of FOMC and Powell, and then this is the market closing. Powell may have gone over more into the 3 o'clock. So, but I stopped watching the charts. This is right into power hour. Power hour starts here, and then we had some nice movement with the day coming to an end. What a drop! The price moved up. 12, 15, 20 moved down. So it looks like on the 1 minute. Just an idea of what price did. Yeah, price was very angry coming down. Sheesh. Then came back down to my level and then gave like a nice little bounce. So I was just checking this out. So, anyways, let me go over my morning routine. As always, I need my value areas just to see how price is reacting around them. We're going to turn this and we're going to take off the overnight or the extended hours sessions. All right, so we got a nice gap. So yeah, so we gapped up apparently. I don't think we had. Did we have rollover already? I wonder if we had rollover. Price access. So expiration Friday. Show your Microsoft rollover lines. No, that doesn't count. That's almost every day. That'd be insane. Um, show contract change events. Zoom out. Let me just go to a daily. All right. So no, we haven't rolled over yet. This is the 8th, and so we haven't rolled over yet on Thinkorswim. When does ES roll over? So let's see. I just wish they would just tell me without having to click on everything. Alright, so this is taking some time out of my chart setup. It's 850. US indexes. That is not helpful at all. 621, I'm guessing. Roll over 617. So probably on Monday. Yeah, so we'll be rolling over in this month, probably on Monday. All right. Anyways, so let's get to it. So we're gonna go to the 30-minute chart, and we're going to start moving some things around and deleting things. Like we don't need any of this here. All of these can go. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. All right, so this can stay. So we're up here for now. Let's bring this up. here, and we'll fix it when you get closer up here, and this up here. Alright, zoom in. Let's fix the lines wherever they are here. Good. Here and there. Alright, so we need some checking out the volume. It's kind of hard to really this is basically everything's gonna be more in the FOMC area, so everything's gonna be here. Oh, this is actually power hour. Yep. Yeah, so the end of the day is what we're really gonna be looking at. Let's see what we look like in the hour. Nothing. 15 minutes. Not really anything I can consider. Let's do this real quickly and see. I don't trust none of that. Alright, so that's that. Let's do NQ. Let's just do this. I'm not switching so many things. Let's get rid of all the noise around NQ. This can stay. That ADR can stay. Let's make a copy and bring over. Let's copy it, this one, and bring it over. So we ended up in a P shape, and copy that and bring that one over. Alright, so we ended in the P shape. We are going to borrow a low because and see what price. We're gonna make this also a high, and we'll see how price is reacting around that. And then we'll do the same thing with ES. I don't see anything that I can use. High. And low. And then I forgot to do something with NQ. The volumes here. Here and this one here. Alright, cool. Alright, we can get rid of the value area markers. We can go into our extended format. I don't think that we're gonna get anything from the Heikin Ashi that I really want. So we're not even going to look into that. I do like this reversal here. Okay, so we're going to go down to the, so we're going to open this back up, and then we're going to go down to the 1 minute. So we're just looking for volume. I don't like the fact that we have this volume in the middle of, but this is value area high, value area low. We are basically disrespecting this area. I'm gonna have to see what's in this corner up here. Okay, so yep, nothing here is catching my interest, but we are going to be in this area here in a bit. So we're gonna go down to the 1 minute, I mean the 5 minute. This should be, there we go. All right. So strong volume came from this. Can't get rid of that. I do like the box up there. This block is pretty cool. I'll come back to it. Let's look at the lower part for now. Strong volume. Go to Heikin-Ashi. Anything sticks out? Maybe here. So we're gonna put this like this. So this is my area of interest for that one. For this one, we're gonna put it like that. That's my area of interest for the highs. Okay, so that's what I'm working with that. And this is supposed to say low and not high. Change that. Let's extend this out more. This is still the, yeah, we'll extend this out more. I still would like to see price come down to this level. I can get rid of this ADR. Actually, I'm going to use the rectangle to move it. Let's make this into this chop, and I'm pretty much good with this. We did have news come out at 8:30, and it didn't really do much. So I'm going to be looking at this area here, and then maybe above, and then just psychological numbers like each 10. All right, so that's that. Strong buying just to be reversed. So we're going to look. What does that look like on the 1 minute? Oh, it looks like that. Is that this? Sheesh. How is the 1 minute? Oh, that's a 15 minute. So how is the 1 minute worse than the 5 minute? That doesn't make sense. All right, it was a 15 minute. All right, here we go. All right, much better. Okay, so consolidated, sell off. 836. Nice. Buying. Broke. Yeah, this would have been a nice trade. Like that. Buy this right around here. Boom. 49. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So about a 4-point move. And to get to the bottom of this, like just start tracking it, and I ended up with like the 8-point or whatever it may be. Getting out if you can find volume. I don't see any volume down here. Yeah, so we might go lower. All right, so that's my those are my levels for ES. Let's do NQ. I'm just going to change the whole thing. I'm not going to be doing each individual one. Let's make sure we don't have anything on 15. We are above with NQ, so something's up here that stopped NQ from moving higher, that made ES move lower. Let's put the psychological number here. This is 700. I'm going to use it as a whole number. Let's do that, this, right, and then we'll fade this a little bit so that way it's not so prominent. We'll do about 50. Okay, so that's a whole number. There's still something here that stopped it from going up. All right, so let's go to our volume at the bottom. Okay, so we're going to be looking at this area here. Zoom out. Is this supposed to be my 5 minute? No, this is my 5 minute. Okay. Okay, that was just the other NQ chart over here. Alright, so we're going to make this big, and we're just looking to make sense of this, how I go down lower. This is no good. This we can remove it as we look into this candle. And what are you doing in the Heikin Ashi? Okay, I'll respect this. I'll respect that. It's a big area though, but I'm gonna have to respect the fact that it's there. Okay, so let's get rid of the arrows. We're gonna go over this one. It's a large candle with no volume. It's quite interesting. Let's see. Oh, I can't even spot it. Let's go here like that, and whoa, that's way too high. Alright, so I'm gonna leave that blank. I would typically put a box here between these two, but there's no volume on this candle. I was hoping that would have had like a box around here somewhere, but there's no volume on this candle, so I don't know if this is gonna be even. You know what? Why not? Let's just add it. But I don't think it's going to be. No, I'm not gonna confuse myself. I'm just gonna let it be. I'm gonna chop this up like that. I don't think so. Somebody keep telling me to add it. Okay, let's just add it, and then we'll find out what it does later. And then we'll say we'll mark it as strong candle, no volume. Gray, fade it. So strong candle, no volume. Alright, so as long as volume candle. And then like that. We're gonna go to the 1 minute for this one. Okay. Alright, so these are my levels for E and Q. I'm more so going to be focusing on that. Alright, so let's add our settlement price, ADRs. Let's go into news today. 8:30 already came out. We have 10:30, and then we have something that I was interested in, and I don't see it on this. Alright, probably it's on this one here. Yeah, we have Yellen at noon, and then we have this bond here, which could also move the market. For some reason, they just happen here, and I don't see Yellen. Yellen's at noon, right? Yeah, so we got two people speaking. All right. So settlement price for ES. Be about here somewhere, or just towards the end of the day. Go. Okay, so it's way down here. Let's make this go to the left. So this is going to be an important level. Set my price for ES. Let's do NQ. There we go. Alright, so just make a copy. That is not what I need to make a copy of. Undo that copy. Let's go to NQ. Copy. No, 12. 12. Alright, so set my price this way over here. So that price some way to go. Alright, and then let's do ADRs. And then we'll be done with the equities. I'm going to use this one. $19,984. $19,992.25. Oh, because this is the 30-minute. Why is it not 30-minute? Sheesh, really? $19,949.75. High 1964. Something is wrong. I think our swim already rolled over. I mean, I think TradingView already rolled over. Go to my Discord. But this is not something I can trust right now. Okay, maybe I won't be doing. Let me go to. What is it called? Think. Something. Is it bar chart? I think it's called. I think it's bar chart. Yeah, bar chart. Okay, so bar chart. Where are the contracts? Going to some trader fade. Yeah, I am using the M contract. Yeah, it doesn't have more volume than the U contract. So why does it look weird on TradingView? 19984. 19984. 19731. It should be here. 19731. Yeah, this is off. This is NQ, right? Yeah. Alright, so I won't be using my ADR levels today. I'm gonna let this one go. Alright, I'm done with that. Okay, so I won't be using the ADR levels because something's off with them. I just like to see if they lined up nicely with all my other pairs and all of my other levels, but not going to kill myself trying to get them to be perfect. And we'll focus more on volume, my Hakinashis, and just how price moves around those volume levels. Alright, and then we'll also be using VIX, of course. So let's open up 30-minute VIX, and it looks like we closed that gap, that's for sure. And then this is overnight. Looks like we came back to this level and pushed off. So this is, we had a flat and then we broke. And we're still holding this, so this is gonna be very tricky. It's hard for me to read VIX right now, so I might be just heavily focusing on ES. I can't really read VIX right now. Usually I can, but it's right now we're at a level that price broke out of strongly. We're closing the gap, so if price moves up, I would expect ES to move down. So that's it for me for my setup. I'm gonna refresh my charts and then prepare for the day. That's it. Okay, how long was that? 28 minutes, not bad, much better. Okay, did I miss anything?